First of all, wash the cooking utensils. Put water in the pot. Turn on the stove. Wash the egg before putting it in the pot. Start time for 3 minutes when it boils. Remove the egg after 3 minutes. For medium cook, 5 to 7 minutes. Remove the egg after 5 to 7 minutes. And for the hard cook, 12 to 15 minutes. Remove the egg after 12 to 15 minutes. This is the result of 3 boiled eggs. Scrambled eggs. Heat oil on low flame. Add the egg and stir. Stir until soft and moist. Omelette. Scramble the egg before adding to the pan. Turn over when the bottom is cooked. Take it out when it's cooked. Poached egg. Boil water and put 1 tablespoon of vinegar and tornado. While the tornado is on, put the egg in the middle. Sunny side up. Sunny side up eggs are fried on one side until the whites are set but the yolk remains runny, typically taking 2 to 3 minutes on medium-low heat. An over-hard egg is fully cooked until the yolk is firm and solid, contrasting with the runny yolk of sunny-side-up eggs. Basted eggs. Basted eggs are similar to sunny-side-up eggs, but they are cooked differently. With basted eggs, you spoon warm butter or oil over the top of the eggs as they cook, which helps to cook the yolks slightly while keeping them runny. This method adds flavor and can create a unique texture compared to traditionally sunny-side egg. This is the result